Let's get started on how to do daily facial massage. This daily facial massage will cover your circulation, which include one, your blood circulation, two will be your lymphatic drainage system. One covers the blood, the others cover the water circulation. There will be times you will have puffy face, and that's because the lymphatic system is not working in tip-top condition. Now, how do we do it? Lymphatic is all over here, under the jaw, and over the ear, down through the neck. Daily facial massage, which is a form of gentle, fast and simple treatment simply because every day we will be using our face to talk, to eat, to smile, to frown even, or when we are sad. All kinds of emotion, all kinds of facial expression we go through. And if we do not move our face as well, that also will make it stiff. What we need to do on daily basis, need to release it. How often do you need to do? You can do more than once. And one of the best time to do it is when? Is right after you perform your cleansing, your toner. Now you apply your moisturizer. Use your moisturizer as your massage cream. Treat it as that. You can both eye and massage cream. If you do not have, you can always come to me and I will refer to you one of the better solution. The first thing we want to do is open up the lymphatic drainage system. Now that we know that lymphatic drainage is located mainly the jaw area and also through around the neck. There are many ways to do it. You don't have to follow because what you need to do is follow your own flexibility. I will show you a few examples. You can choose and pick how to do it. So for the lymphatic drainage system, you can see that some they teaches you to do in this manner. Correct? If you are not flexible, you find the movement towards the ending is sort of very difficult to do. What you can do is, this is the first method. You are using your 2 finger, middle and 4 fingers. What you do is place using the opposite hand and the opposite face to do it. So you are press and feel the bone and push along it. Press and feel along. You will feel also you'll be using this part as well. This part. And do it. Do for the other side as well. How many times you will be doing? Average is 10 times. You want to do more, you want to do lesser, up to you, not an issue. Now, here comes to the second method. How to do it is you use this particular area. You can see that both methods using the V is the form of V. So what I do is I place it under the chin, starting point, and move it across. Move it across until the end of the jaw. That's it. Okay, left and right side. And here comes another method. We are using the base of the palm. So how to do this? This one you can use both hands at the same time. Just underneath and move up. Use the base of the palm. Okay, pressing against the edge and some of underneath the jaw area and push up. Press and feel the bone and push up. That's the 3 ways to do it. Now we're going to focus on the lymphatic around the ear. There will be lymphatic vessels and lymphatic nodes around the ear. For the first method, we're going to use the thumb. We're going to roll in circle. You can do in zigzag, or you can do in circles as well. Either way is fine. This is how you do it. Where is the starting point? The starting point is at when the ear connects to the head. So that's the starting point, and you will return back to this starting point as well. Okay, so you do the side. So this is zigzag motion. So it's sort of like a durian, like a porcupine or a durian shape. And you come to the back. So now you're going to return, make another round. Now I'm going to show you the circle method. So press with your thumb and move around the ear. Yes, it's that simple actually. Now you feel like the tension around the ear has disappeared. The tension under the jaw has disappeared. Yes, because the circulation is smooth flowing. Now, we have done the ear, we have done the jaw. Now we're going to open up the circulation, lymphatic circulation at the neck area. For this movement, what you do is, I'm not going to use the same side hand, I'm going to use the opposite hand to do it. Just using the base of the thumb, this area, and just press it down. From where the skull bone corner, that is where we start, and we press down. We are focusing at the edge of this neck area, the back neck here. Yes, which cover this part. So if you do not want, you can also use knuckle, which is depending on whether you find it actually comfortable to do or not, using knuckle or not. Then another way would be using your thumb. Place your hand on top and circle downwards. Another method would be using your thumb. So just place your finger on your skull and move downwards. Press, feel, and push. What we want to push is push the underlying skin. Now we have completed the opening of the lymphatic drainage. We're going to work on the face already. How we're going to do is that we're going to target the V line, which is this area. So just between the lip and the chin, we're going to use this part, the area, to do the work. Place it here and pull it upwards. If you find that this movement at the end it feels difficult to do, what you can do is you do one side first. See, I'm looking straight, now I look over, turn my head to look over the other side. I'm going to do my right side here. I'll be looking at the left. I just pull, press, and pull upwards to the bottom here. Then I continue on with the other side of the face. This will actually make the movement easier compared to you looking straight and you try to do both sides, because at the end of the movement, your range of motion becomes restricted. Now that you're doing one side by side, it's actually more convenient. Another method would be using the knuckle itself. Okay, so this is one, you can actually push it like this, also can. Let me tell you, there's no right or wrong. There's different method, different comfort to you, and you can actually mix and match. Moving up to the next level, higher a bit, which is between the nose and the lip. So we're going to pull, and this is under the cheekbone. Under the cheekbone, it's not over the cheekbone, it's under the cheekbone over here. First part is here, second part is here, which is under the cheekbone. Understand? Okay. You can use your thumb and place it at the end, which is your ear there. Now we're going to move here. Because I'm not starting from the middle. As I go up along, my range of motion becomes more easy. I can do both sides at the same time. I don't have to look to the side in order to do it. That is optional. So I can do both at the same time, which makes life easier. Now, for the third one, will be on top of the cheekbone, which is along the cheek muscle. So we're going to pull it all the way up to the top here. Pull all the way up to the top here. You will notice all the movement is diagonally curving up. So you use both hands, it's actually easy. Okay, now moving up one level higher, which is between the eye and the center of the nose. Okay, we're going to place here and pull all the way up. If you find it tiring on your forefinger, what you can do is you can use your fingers as well. See your fingers and do the movement. Okay, or you can use this edge of the knuckle and to do it as well. If you find that this movement is restricted, so you do using the opposite hand. Yes. Now we have reached the eye, so we're going to target the eyebrow. Place your thumb here. Okay, you can do like this. Where is your ending? Is the hairline. If not, what you can do circles or zigzag. So circle is like that. You You can use this part or this part. You want to do zigzag, it's like that. Now comes to the forehead. What I do is that because this is center, and if I use both hands together, so sort of like center is being missed out. To overcome this, do one side, then the other side. Do one side, then the other side. Do one side, the other side. Until you reach the hairline. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you find that doing 10 times is too much, you already feel very circulated, do 5 or 6, also fair enough for you. For the final round, what you can do is just sweeping it down like that will do. So you can use the entire arm to do it. Notice that the more area that you use is more comfortable. At the same time, your hand is also on skin. You will use more of your moisturizer as well. Take note of that. You do not do it on a dry skin condition. Yes, you can use the hand, just sweeping it down. Remember, when you sweep down the neck, do not go aim at the front because this is where your thyroid is. You do not want to have hyperthyroid or hypothyroid condition. There's inflammation here, becomes swollen and it makes your life difficult also. Focusing at the edge of the back, the corner here, to sweep it down. One final rinse for the toxin that has already swept to the side of the ear and hairline. So you want to sweep it downwards. Basically, that's simple.